Hi everyone, today we are going to do some unboxing of the things that I have recently bought online, basically my online purchase that I have done in recent weeks. Items from two different websites that I would like to do unbox for today, and these are items from Sophisticated as well as Gourmet. So let me start with items that I have purchased from Sophisticated. So I have actually received this package from Sophisticated. This is easier. Just cut this through. This is the first box. Okay. It smells so nice. This package itself, it has really nice scent. Two packages here. Let us unbox and unwrap. Let's see. And what is in this first package? I'm so excited to actually unwrap this. I think they have just launched their website recently. Pretty worth it to get bulk of their products. Sophisticated actually sells soaps, various type of soaps. So this is actually, oh, this is so beautiful. This is actually the Fruity Skittles Artisan handmade bubble bath scoops Fruity Skittles. See, can you see? It is so colorful. It looks like really. I believe that if I am not mistaken, based on what I have read, it smells like Skittles. I could smell it from here. Yeah, and it's so colorful. It's something that I would use. See? This is interesting. I will. Smells so nice. Right. So this would be the first item that I bought, and in this box, let us unbox this. Look at this. Isn't this awesome? The packaging and all, right? They even gave me soap bag for this. Right? Let's put this aside first. This is awesome. Okay, so here in this box, I have here with me charcoal lavender soap. Charcoal lavender soap. This smells really nice. I always love the smell of lavender, so hence I have selected lavender. And this is actually orange lover scent. Okay, and I also have peppermint. I am not usually a fan of peppermint, but I think I'm gonna give my peppermint to mom so that she can try out this soap. So if she love it, I got a feeling this will be the main store for me to purchase bar soap after this. This is lavender and lilac. Right? See this at the top of the soap. It's wavy like this. So basically, I bought 1, 2, 3, 4. I bought 4 different scents, and they're all arranged in this manner. in this box. Right. I've also received 4. I've also received 4 soap bags from them, and to my surprise, I've received token of appreciation with 5% off on my next purchase with a coupon code. If you head over to their website, you will find that they are currently running on a sale, and on their some of their soap range. And then on top of the sale price, they have also provided a discount on items for first time purchaser, 20% off of your total purchase for first time buyer by applying their promo code HELLO, HELLO. This video description, I've actually put down their first time purchase promo code of 20%, HELLO, hello, in the description of this video. And remember, once you purchase this, once you receive your item, like for me, I have received a thank you for the discount code, a 5% discount code for my next purchase. So I believe that if you are a fan of bar soap, artisan bar soap, just like me, this would be worth it, and you would really enjoy their soap. It really smells nice, and in fact, it's actually natural soap. This natural soap helps my skin to hydrate, and I don't need to apply any extra moisturizer on my skin for this purpose. My next item are actually kitchen utensil that I have recently purchased from Gourmet. Let me unbox this. This is actually, it is heavy, and it's the whole set of really big package that came. Okay. Let me bring this here and unbox this. Like this. I actually don't have the finesse of doing unboxing without having scissors to cut through my packages. I normally just cut through packages, cut through the bubble wrap. These are the reason why there's a lot of bubble wrap to my items is because my items are fragile items. Yeah, so they are glass inside, hence there's a lot of bubble wrap being used. If you're wondering why there's a lot of bubble wrap around, you know. Okay, so this is my first item. Let me get this whole thing out first for my item. Okay, here we are. Let's put this here. Okay, my first item is actually the small chopper that I bought from Gourmet. I'm so excited to get this. You know, when I saw this, I got excited because I'm actually in need of new chopper in my kitchen. And I don't need rather large size chopper. This would be sufficient for me. Yeah. Okay. These are the blades. The blade in. Lock. Okay, so this is how this chopper looks like. You can see this is the top. I can just open it like this and so it can chop. It's quite convenient, right? So this small chopper, what I intend to do is that normally this small chopper is when I use to chop ingredients into smaller pieces. This tiny chopper is actually very helpful. Let's put this aside. Since we have a bigger package here, let us unbox this. This is quite heavy. This is actually the electric turbo roaster. I have been wanting to get this for quite some time now. You can cook your meal here, and it's an oil-free usage, which is why this is my one of the best option, one of the best decision that I made to purchase this. Right now, I have a common oven. With this electric turbo roaster, I am able to prepare my main meal instead of using my common oven, which now I would reserve that to do my baking, mainly for baking. Okay, so currently they are having promotion and sales on their products, so you might want to head over to their website. I have in my description below. I have also put in their website HTTP address for you to click and head over. They are actually having a 10% discount for medical frontliner with the promo code medical10. Based on their advertisement promotion note in their website, it seems like the promotion will end on 31st of July 2021. So you might want to head over to their website right now and put in your purchase to enjoy the discount. That is all for my unboxing. If you can see my eyelash here. Okay, so my eyelash today is from alaiacosmetic. This is actually magnetic eyelash. I don't need to put eyelashes glue to this. For this eyelash, I just need to apply on their magnetic eyeliner and just stick the eyelash on top of my eyelashes. This is Girl Next Door, so it is different compared to the eyelash that I used in my previous video, which was my live video, which was the Bond Girl. The Bond Girl is more there's more volume to it. This one is lighter, so you don't feel that heavy compared to Bond Girl. This would be something that I would put on every day. Okay, and then my bracelet. This bracelet is actually a mix of all the precious stone, pearls. This is amethyst, and you know, it's actually a mixture of other stone as well. Moonstone ring, and my black pearl ear stud. My necklace, this is actually jade and flat pearl with tiny stones. Right. My accessories today are from Shinju Pearls. So if you love what I wear today, you might want to head over to their Instagram, to their Facebook to check out their product. They have really awesome and beautiful product that you can check out. So I guess that is all for our unboxing vlog for today. I hope to share with you more of my unboxing product, which is actually on the way. Thank you for watching. Bye.